In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design stunning Canva text. We're going to keep this really simple and beginner friendly. So by the end, you'll feel confident creating eye-catching text for your designs, whether that's for social media, presentations, or personal projects. When you first open Canva, you'll usually start by choosing a design type, like an Instagram post, presentation, or custom size. Once your blank canvas is open, you have two main options for creating great text: using pre-made font templates or building your own text style from scratch. Let's walk through both. First, let's look at pre-made fonts and templates. On the left-hand side, click on the text option. Here you'll see ready-made text combinations, sometimes called font pairs or templates. These are professionally designed with fonts, sizes, and spacing that already look great together. To use one, simply click on a style you like and it will appear on your canvas. From there, you can double-click the text to replace it with your own words, while keeping the overall design. This is a great option if you're not sure what fonts work well together, or you just want something quick and polished. Now, if you'd like more control and want to create your own look, you can start from scratch. Again, click on text, and this time choose Add a Heading. A new text box will appear on your design. Type in whatever you want your main title or message to say. Next, change the font to match the mood of your design. With the text box selected, go to the font drop-down at the top. Scroll through the options or use the search bar to find a specific style. For something bold and attention-grabbing, pick a thicker display font. For something clean and minimal, choose a simple sans serif font. You can adjust the size, alignment, and spacing here as well, so your text feels balanced on the page. After that, add color. With your text still selected, click on the text color option. You can choose from the default colors, document colors, or add your own custom color using the color picker. Try to choose colors that match your overall design or brand. High contrast between the text and background will make it easier to read. To make your text stand out even more, add effects. Click on the effects button while your text is selected. Here you can apply shadows, outlines, glows, or curved text. Adjust the sliders for things like transparency, blur, or direction until the effect looks just right. Subtle effects often look more professional, so start small and build up if needed. Throughout this process, make sure to follow the on-screen prompts in Canva. The interface will guide you with small hints and labels, showing you where to click and what each tool does. By combining pre-made templates with your own custom fonts, colors, and effects, you will be able to design stunning Canva text that looks polished and professional every time.